Got this. Now it's right. I got my.
So it's the rice, what
Yep,
you got,
I got rice.
and then the meat,
meat.
good, and now you gotta do get your vegetables.
Who wants the vegetables?
You gotta get the vegetables. It's not the same without the veggies.
Yeah, you got to have veggies.
I got the veggies at the bottom.
Nah, no.
Okay, what did you put on?
You gotta get some more veggies.
I got the veggies at the bottom.
You're not eating. No, you gotta eat
Man,
healthy.
look, this is healthy eating.
Boom, boom. Now
I'm eating light tonight.
That's a man's plate right
I'm
there.
eating light tonight, y'all.
That's
I'm eating light. Yeah.
That's jeez.
You about to really go?
Oh.
Hey, everybody! Y'all about to look at this. People, I'm trying to tell you. Now, I need a what you call it?
Yo, Ma, this is really good.
Why is your plate piled up like that?
Cause
Dad
You
plate
think you
leaning.
want it just like how
Dad plate doing what,
Dad
babe?
plate leaning over there. Have you eaten yet, Mom?
No, not yet. I'm going to fix my plate.
I need some. Where my sauce at?
Yes.
What'd you say, too?
This is so good. OMG. Who needs Errrrbody's or any other places? When you have a beautiful two creations.
You saved me money today, cause I literally was gonna eat exactly that today.
Look.
And you said you was getting hibachi.
Look at this plate.
And you got it for the free.
And I got
I got it for the free.
So I did pretty good for my first time.
That's a
Dad,
man's
you
plate.
have a Japanese place for real.
I cut back.
What do you mean you cut?
What y'all mean?
Your plate is 3 inches high and you cut back.
That's because the plate's small, Don. This ain't like it's a lot of food. The plate is just smaller, so it look like a lot more.
Right. Jackson over here working it out, kinda.
See, look at this right here.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, y'all. I'm back. Like the church offering plate. Now listen, I don't care. Y'all back again? Ask me. Listen, let me tell you something. I got $14. You come around 14 times, and all you're gonna get is $14, and you can do this one time. So how you choose it? You back too?
I'm gonna put $1 in each time.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, so Mom, was this white rice that you made into one? You really did it. Like, yeah. I'm gonna call when you do the white rice, you have to put it in the refrigerator to dry out. So that's why it's staying out. Yeah. Y'all are scared. Can y'all believe we are not doing breakfast today? No breakfast.
This is the thumbnail.
Say what? Is that the thumbnail? That's the, okay. Y'all silly. Not the thumbnail.
Man, I just had this thought, man. If this little plate folded and my food dropped, man, I
You
wouldn't
would
look.
have been so mad.
No, I wouldn't look
Man,
like.
you had so much on
I would look like what's the dog name?
I would cry laughing.
I would have been down there like what's the name? Deuce.
I would have
Been up there like Deuce. Let's go.
You guys, I decided to experiment today and do some hibachi on the patio. I forgot to add the eggs to the fried rice. It don't matter.
Okay. We're not mad.
My kids say it does not matter. Is it good, babe?
Like the whole tree smell like steak.
Cause
I know,
somebody.
y'all, we lit it up outside. The steak, chicken, onions, zucchini.
Your son is making a mess.
He's looking at the camera. See, I'm talking. Well, I don't know what you're saying, man. But
He want to talk too.
yeah, you want to talk to the people. Hey, hey.
Well, you guys, we decided to move outside for a few minutes after we got through eating.
And I'm on mosquito patrol.
I know, right? We won't be out here long because These mosquitoes have no mercy. Wait a minute, y'all, crooked. Just a tad bit crooked.
They're like small dragons.
Well, you guys, this was different. Oh, before I forget, let me say a huge thank you to... Wait a minute.
Hey, this is what we're going to talk about while she's gone. Because I'm going to... She back.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was going to say. I wanted to make sure I was saying the right name. A huge thank you to Thelma. Thelma, thank you so much. She sent this big old box. This big old box of goodies from the Virgin Islands.
From the islands, man.
Yeah.
I'm an island,
So,
man.
thank you so much. I mean, it was a box full of goodies, too. And also to Reginald for sending the beautiful bowl and the mini spatula. So thank you guys so much. And I don't want any of you to feel like you are obligated or have to send us anything. Please don't feel like you have to do that. We are just so blessed.
I just like talking to you people.
By the fact that you guys support our channel. So thank you all so much. You like talking to them?
Yeah, I just like talking to you people. I mean, I imagine what your faces look like, and I imagine...
So loud, you outside.
No, these people don't tell me what to do around here.
Stop talking so
Don't tell me what to do. Where you going? God, how you talk to me? I just want to tell y'all. Look, I try to imagine what some of y'all look like, and y'all have some very pleasant faces. You better not be mean when I finally see you.
What?
I'm just saying, don't know.
You be trying to imagine what they look like.
Yeah, they look like they're nice people.
They are nice people.
I don't know. Some of them look like they can be kind of sassy.
Ain't nothing wrong with being sassy. Let me tell you something. When I tell you these children of ours enjoyed this hibachi tonight, Lord have mercy, these mosquitoes. Yeah, I bought something from Walmart today from the mosquitoes.
What do you recommend, people?
And it's in there charging.
Hold on, man. I know
So
what you're trying to run.
I'm going to use it and see if it works. Because we don't be sitting out here because the mosquitoes have no mercy.
You should see them, man. It's like I'm telling you. They're like some small dragons.
I mean, we've not done anything to the patio. I have some things that I purchased definitely over 2 months ago for the patio, and I haven't put it out here because these mosquitoes.
Where you going?
Honey,
Where you going?
I can't stand the mosquitoes and the flies.
That's what they do. Where you going, man?
Where you going? It's time for you to go night-night. Get your bath and go
Man, it's
night-night.
time for me to go. Look, man. These Okay, look, people. We're going to go inside. Because these mosquitoes, they ain't got
But
no...
now you can be out here a few more minutes because we're going to tell them back. Look, it's time for us to get ready for bed.
No, you don't understand.
Instead of taking on our day.
But, man, I'm protecting you, man. You can't say they biting you.
No, they bit him earlier today at Granny's.
They feel like it.
Yeah.
I feel the bumps on them.
Well, y'all look. And I don't know if I was glowing or shiny when I was cooking. I had put Skin So Soft all on my arms and stuff because I knew I was getting ready to be out here with these mosquitoes trying to cook.
They put on some Skin So Tasty because they just jump on you and go in.
Not when you have on Skin So Soft. So if I was looking
Why you
shiny, then that's why. Because I was out here cooking, not you. You
I
were
would
in
came
the
out here
house.
with you to cook, Donna. But the mosquitoes I didn't get no Skin So Soft. That's why I wasn't able to make it.
You came out here and helped me clean up the griddle once I was done.
Yeah.
Well, you guys, I guess we'll call it a night. Somebody has already had their shower and gotten ready for bed. I guess it's my turn, huh? Right?
Where you going, man?
You gonna tell everybody bye?
Say bye-bye.
You tell them bye?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say thank you guys so much for watching.
Say bye. Bye.
If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so.
Say hit the nose.
And you turn on that notification bell. And you do it shakes. And that's that shake something. Shake something. Shake something.
Just shake something. Shake.
Oh yeah, and you guys, another reason we did this too, because we're going to be, we have a full day Saturday, so we won't be able to do the Saturday breakfast. So I said, you know what, let's do dinner today. So I know you guys enjoyed seeing something other than breakfast, but look, we love breakfast. If I don't cook anything else, honey, I'm cooking breakfast. All right, we good? You gonna say something?
Say bye.
Say bye. Bye. You so silly.
Bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining
Hit that
us
nose
again next time. Bye.
Let's say
The breeze feels good out here.
it does.
You ready to go? We said bye and we still sitting here.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Go get the bug, man. Get it. Get it. Go chase
I
it.
don't have them chasing them. What's that, a moth?
I'm off. You know, one thing about kids, they'll go find the wrong thing. They don't find a snake somewhere. Hey, look, Papa.
It sounds so nighttime out here, don't it?
I'm scared.
It sounds so nighttime.
Just think. Where you going, man? What are you messing with?
We act like we don't want to leave.
Yeah, this is what you need, Donna. That'll be an
what?
MRI.
No, not an MRI. Oh
What
my
is it?
goodness.
What is it?
Y'all, oh my goodness. It's ASMR.
Yeah, ASMR.
ASMR. So you guys, we're going to let you all listen. We're going to let you listen to the nighttime.
ASMR, that's when you just listen to sounds. You're making noise. You can't be making noise now. People need to hear the sounds. Man, you're making noise, man. It's supposed to be quiet. People want to listen to the sounds of nightlife.